Hi, welcome to ThinkVacuum.com's review on the new Nutone Pure Power series. With this particular model, this is the Nutone PP5501. Now this particular model is good for homes up to 4,000 square feet, and it pulls a 550 air watt rating. With air watts, basically that's going to be the suction power of the vacuum that the motor can perform. Once again, this is good for a home, small to medium sized residences, up to 4,000 square feet. Now up here, what we have is the ultra-silent technology. Nutone basically has sound absorbing materials encapsulating the motor to help bring the noise level down to 66 decibels. So some of the features and benefits about the PP5501 Nutone Pure Power is it has a manual on-off switch on the side terminal here that allows you to manually turn on the vacuum if it's in a garage, storage space, or basement when needed. Also, you have the low voltage terminal on the side where your low voltage wiring will come from the house connecting to your inlets that you plug your hose in, standard operation. We do have some nice facts about this here is out of the whole series with the Pure Power series, the PP5501 compared to the other models in this series is the only system that has to be used with a paper bag. Now the benefits about the paper bag is it's better filtration. It helps capture a lot of the dust mites, allergens, pollutants that are getting picked up that are normally expelled back into the environment. Nice and clean inside, in a bag, disposable. You take it, throw it away, you're done. Replace the bag, everything's good. So basically when we were talking about the disposable bag feature, to access the bag, gently open the latches, like so. The bottom canister would lower, you have access to the bag there. The bag would basically be pulled off, discarded, a new one opened up and inserted. You would raise the canister back up onto the vacuum, close the latch like so. The nice feature about the Nutone PP5501 is it has a metal housing. Now with the metal housing, it does have a hard plastic ABS bottom canister. With this particular model, you get a 5-year limited warranty. Now once again, this particular model is made for homes up to 4,000 square feet. Now if you're looking for more power for the price, we do recommend strongly a Drain Vac Little Giant. Now the Drain Vac Little Giant comes with a 25-year motor warranty and can pull for a home up to 4,000 to 5,000 square feet at 670 air watts. If you're looking to find out some more information about the Nutone Pure Power series, the PP5501, or other compatible brands, please come visit us at www.thinkvacuums.com. Please give us a call at 1-800-322-2965 if you have any questions.